Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian. Yeah, another video. This is unboxing my pre-order. Not very big. I was waiting for the physical catalogue to arrive so I can have a good browse through it, and I'll do another order next week. Top of the list was, of course, my stamping mist. I need to order another bottle, I think. I'm not retiring my stamping scrub. It is just such an excellent tool to have. You know, I never got on with the chamois. So yeah, stamping mist. And actually, it still has some in it. This is my original bottle from 2016. It does last a long time, doesn't it? Right, next thing. I'm trying out the new Basic Black Hybrid. I never had any problems with Memento, if I'm honest, and I use that for watercolouring and for alcohol inks as well. You know, the stamping blends, and I never had any issues with it. It's just a question of letting it dry, you know. So we'll give that a go. In colours, I forgot to order the inks, unfortunately. So they'll be on my next order. I'm just gonna slip that down there. Was that deep enough? That wasn't deep enough. No. Let me use my things instead. These snips. Oh, that's much better. I don't know what colours these are. If I'd got the inks, I would know. But never mind. That's quite a nice kind of pale lavender, I suppose you could say. Kind of a light terracotta. A mustard yellow, a bit like reminds me of crushed curry, that does. A nice, not too keen on the blue, I have to admit. That green is very nice though. It's kind of like a lighter shaded spruce maybe, but yeah, I do like that. More in colours. These are the in colour butterflies. Aren't they adorable? Let me give you a closer look. They're gorgeous, aren't they? I spent over £70, and this is the product of the month, is it? Eyelet Blooms dye. Let's have a close look at it, shall we? Oh, that is pretty. Yes, I'm going to make something with that, possibly over the weekend. But, yeah. My other purchases were 2 lots of DSP. So this is Waterside Retreat Designer Series paper. Let me just let's have a look at it. Ooh, think I'll be having some fun with my scan and cut with this paper. Not so much that one, obviously. There was another designer sheds paper, if you remember, from a few years ago, that was in panels. Easy card fronts or scrapbooking and what have you. Let's look at the back side of it. Right, stripes. Oh, I do like that. Wood panelling type effect. Plaid, plaid, birds. That's quite. I don't know what to think of that one. Oh yes, I do like those. So that's that paper. These go into. I got some before they retired. I bought a load of the paper protectors, you know, that you use in scrapbooking, the 12 by 12 ones. So yeah, now this feels heavy. Velvet Meadow Speciality Designer paper. So look at this one, shall we? Oh, it's got something you can take. I didn't need to cut it. Never mind. Oh, now then. It's quite. This is quite pretty. Reminds me of winter, that does. It's embossed. Yes, it's got embossed bits in it. Embossed bits in it. So there we go. Is that everything? I think that's everything. So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the goodies, and I'll see you again soon. So for the moment, it's bye-bye. Bye.